So here's Stewie taking a bath, guys. He actually flew from his cage over to me while I was doing dishes. And he kept sticking his head under the spigot and flapping his wings, so I gave him a little bath here, and he's just having a ball. Say wee, Stewie.
Hopefully it will
wee. Oh my goodness, he really wants that bath. He loves his bath. He'll get in the shower with me, and then I'll dry him off, put him on his cage. An hour later, he'll be in his water dish taking another bath. He's a silly bird. Oh, look at you. You like that baby boy. Disgusting. You did a whoopsie. Let me clean that whoopsie up. Come on. Whoopsie. Ugh, whoopsie. Oh, okay. Okay. Yay. Are you having fun? Is him having fun? He's a good boy.
And, it covers exactly.
Oh, look at you flapping your wings, cutie pie. You are such a cute little boy. Cute little boy.
A just person as well as one that is.
You done?
Wicked.
You want mommy to dry you off? Are you done?
I would also invite you to read from the Wisdom of Solomon, chapter 2.
I'm trying to get my house cleaned up.
Chapter 5.
But
that gives you
I always tend to them before everything else.
What occurs.
Okay, I think you're done. Okay, say bye, everybody. Say bye. Say bye, baby. You got anything to say?
Come, angel of this soul, and stand in the midst, and the